What's the meaning of Atlantic Ocean? Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world, dividing South and North America to the west from Europe and Africa to the east. It has an area of approximately 106.4 million square kilometers and a maximum depth of over 8,000 meters. The name Atlantic comes from the Greek god Atlas, who carried the weight of the world on his shoulders. The ocean plays a crucial role in global climate regulation and supports a diverse range of marine life, including whales, sharks, and fish species. It also serves as a vital route for international shipping and trade.